Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to get dark mode on TikTok. So if you're new to this channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. You all are welcome. So for us to be able to get dark mode on TikTok, this is what you have to do. Open your TikTok this way. Make sure your TikTok is updated by going to your Play Store app and updating it. It's like this. Tap my Play Store app is search for using my search engine. So this is my Play Store. Type in TikTok on the search engine, then tap on say TikTok. So my TikTok is updated, that is why it's in this form. So okay, let me get the interface.
Do you mind being in a video?
So for me to be able to get dark mode on TikTok, this is what I have to do. Tap on your profile. So the next step is tap on the three dots at the right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Search for display. Tap on display. So now we have two modes here. We have the light mode and the dark mode. For it to be in the dark mode, you have to tap on the dark mode Google. You can see that it has changed to dark mode. So guys, that is how to get your dark mode on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.